To make this palya, heat a tablespoon of oil in a kadai. Once it heats, add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Saute this. Let the flame be on a medium. Then add a medium onion which is chopped. Continue sauteing and let the onions turn translucent. Then add a large potato that is peeled and chopped into cubes. Stir for a minute. Now add half a teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Stir and let the potatoes cook. Don't let the potatoes burn. Add some water when you think it's required. Keep stirring in between so as to prevent burning. The potato should cook till it's 3/4 done, and looks like that's achieved. Reduce the flame to a low and add half teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon red chilli powder and 1/4 teaspoon cumin powder. Mix it well for 2 minutes. Then add a cup of diced bell pepper. You can add all the 3 colors. Mix the capsicum with the potatoes. Oops, I had a few that I'd forgotten to add. Mix this for 2-3 minutes and then add 1/4 cup of tamarind water. Continue stirring for a while. Then let it cook till the water is absorbed. And don't forget to keep stirring once this happens. Otherwise, you may end up with some burnt palya. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala. Stir well and let it continue cooking. When needed, add some water. Let this cook for another 2 minutes or till you think it's done. You can enjoy the palya with roti or rice. Finally, we'll garnish the dish with some chopped coriander leaves. And here, your Aloo Capsicum Palya is now ready to be served. Enjoy!